If you love plants, but you're having a problem with your trees or your plants or your bushes getting a little bit too hot, this is going to solve your problem. This is going to be a plant umbrella that you can put in your garden or on your patio or wherever you need just a little bit of shade to keep those plants out of the direct sun. Let's go ahead, unbox this, see what they look like, and then try it out. So we have multiple colors here, colors of the rainbow. Pink, green, orange, yellow, blue, and purple. And these things are lightweight. I love the bright colors. But as you can see here on the underneath side, they actually have like that UV reflectant material. So that's going to help keep some of that heat off your plant. And then we have the extender. So you can use one of these or all of them. That's up to you. You're just going to twist them together. If you need a little bit more height for like a taller or a larger plant, you just screw in just like this. And this one here does have like a fork on the bottom, so that's going to stay in the soil and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But since we have a short plant, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use the regular umbrella here. Pop that in just like that, and you're going to be ready to go. So setup with this was a breeze. So this thing is literally just a mini umbrella. We're just going to put that up just like this. And as you can see, it does have that interior that's going to have that reflective coating, and it has a pretty strong base here. But on the sides, there's going to be a little parts where it's not going to be pokey or hurt you if you have to deal with that. And if you look here on the front, there is going to be a little topper. So just like a little mini umbrella that you're going to put in your plant. They are thin, but they do have that material again on the inside. So that's going to keep some of that heat and sun away. So I'm actually just going to put this here on the bottom, and we are going to twist this part in just like this until it's all the way tight. All right, and now we just have your plant, and you are just going to put this in your plant however you need to, and kind of angle it however you want to as well, so you can get the perfect angle to make sure that it is covered and sticks in here nicely. The colors here are amazing. We have this beautiful blue, this gorgeous yellow, bright orange, super pretty green, and this powder pink color. So I'm not sure if this tree can be saved or not, but I'm trying to do everything I can. And having a little bit of shade is going to help a lot. This was really simple to install, and look how cool it is. Kind of adds like a fun ambiance to my entire patio. And I love all the bright colors. So these can be used in your garden, on your patio, or wherever you want. Or you can even use them for other things, not plants. But they are super cool and really easy to set up. To find out more information, just go ahead and click that link.